Struggling to create the perfect research title? Don't worry, crafting a compelling and precise title for your qualitative research can indeed be challenging, but it's not impossible. With the right approach, you can create a title that not only captures the essence of your study, but also grabs the attention of your audience. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to craft a strong qualitative research title, with examples. By the end of this guide, you'll have the tools and confidence to create a title that stands out and accurately reflects your research. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your research focus. This is the foundation of your title. Without a clear focus, your title will lack direction and purpose. Start by answering this question. My study is about. This simple exercise helps you pinpoint the core of your research. This will serve as your working title. It's a starting point that you can refine as you delve deeper into your research. Example. My study is about the experiences of single mothers balancing work and parenting. This gives you a clear initial direction. Step 2. Add scope and method. This step adds depth and context to your title. Refine your working title by adding the scope, who, where, when, and the method used. This makes your title more informative and specific. Example. A phenomenological study on the work-life balance of single mothers in Metro Manila. Notice how this title is more detailed and informative. Step 3. Use strong keywords. Keywords are crucial for searchability and relevance. Your title should include specific relevant keywords to your field of study. Example. Before, a study on teacher stress. Too vague. This title lacks specificity and focus. After exploring burnout and coping strategies, a case study of high school teachers, more specific. This title is clearer and more engaging. Step 4. Keep it concise, 12 words max. Brevity is key in a good research title. A good title is brief and to the point. Aim for 12 words or less. Example. Before, a study on how social media affects the mental health of teenagers in the Philippines. Too long. This title is cumbersome and hard to read. After, the impact of social media on teen mental health, a phenomenological study, concise and clear. This title is much more reader-friendly. Step 5. Check grammar and readability. Proper grammar and readability are essential for a professional title. Use proper grammar, capitalization, and avoid unnecessary words. Example, before an investigative study on the issues surrounding online learning problems of students. This title is too wordy and complex. After challenges of online learning, a qualitative inquiry. This title is simpler and more effective. Applying what you've learned, mini activity. Now it's your turn. Write a working title using My Study is About. Then refine it using the steps we discussed. This exercise will help you practice and internalize the process. Let's review. A good qualitative research title should be specific and include the phenomenon and method. This ensures your title is clear and informative. Show the scope, who, where, when. This adds context and relevance to your title. Use strong, relevant keywords. Keywords improve searchability and relevance. Be concise, 12 words or fewer. Brevity makes your title more impactful. Follow correct grammar and capitalization. Proper grammar ensures professionalism and readability. Got a research title idea? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to see what you come up with and provide feedback. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more research tips. Stay tuned for more insightful content to help you on your research journey.